Well, wow, wow, wow. Hey guys, I'm back. Before we start, I'm just gonna check on my audio real quick. Ah, fuck, it's string latency. Um, okay. I'm just going to assume that you guys can hear me right now. But okay. So today, guys, we're postponing the whole we're postponing Blender for a bit because today I want to do something different. We're going to be I'm going to be showing you guys how to freaking code with Python. Now you might be wondering, freaking Morgan, why are you trying to why why computer program all of a sudden? Weren't you like doing 3D modeling a while back? The reason why I am doing why I want to show you guys my programming skills because first of all I have no experience with freaking um with computer programming. I tried to I watched some of if you're a computer programmer you would know that there's this thing called CS50 by Harvard wherein they teach you how to um program online using by teaching you C language. I tried to I watched a bit of that but I didn't finish it. I just I just learned the fundamentals, and I just got into um I just got like idea of how how it works, but I still cannot program on my own, and I still don't know how code I can turn code into software that you can actually use. So that's not gonna be the case anymore, because I'm gonna be recording myself learning uh computer programming from start to finish. And to do that, I need to first learn a language. I figured that I should first start with Python, because I heard that it's just like it's one of the better computer languages to learn. Not really better, but I heard it's slower than something like C Sharp or JavaScript, and it's a back end programming language. So I don't know. I guess people don't use it that often, but I heard it's very easy to learn. And plus, this goes hand in hand with Blender, because if you've heard of blenders, if you're an expert of Blender, you would know that there's this thing called add-ons. And if you research on add-ons even more, you would know that add-ons are kind of made using Blender's I think you call it the Python API. So basically, you write code in Python, and depending on what you write, you can turn that Python code into a useful Blender add-on that can help me ease up on some tasks that I would think is monotonous and shit. So we're going to learn about Python. And what else should I say? Oh yeah, and, about the audio. Is the audio okay? The frick. I think it's called the Python API. Wait, hold on, wait a minute. Where's the no? Okay, I just realized that I didn't have my BGM turned on. But okay. So we're going to learn about Python now. If you think that if you think that you're gonna learn Python with these live streams, I have to say that you'll be disappointed, because I kind of already started with a bunch of programming fundamentals, such as if statements, variables. I mean, look at this. I already created like a freaking card game using Python. If you're interested in learning about computer programming, I suggest going into the fundamentals first. Below is a link to a series of videos called PS50 by Harvard. It's basically the computer science course summarized into 12 long documentaries. So you're gonna learn about C language first. Actually, not C language. We're gonna learn about freaking this wacky computer language called Scratch. Then you're gonna learn about C language. Then I think you're also gonna learn about Python, but I never got into that. Maybe just learn the first 3 weeks, then you can come back to me. And even then, I don't think I'm actually gonna go deep into what I'm gonna be writing here today. I'm just gonna think of this more as like a freaking journal for myself about what I've been writing, and less of a freaking tutorial that I can freaking teach to you guys. So with that being said, let's start writing some code. But I won't be doing this on my own. I'm gonna have what's called in the background. I'm actually watching this YouTuber called freaking Programming with Mosh. Yeah, he has like 2.42 million subscribers. Sheesh. We're gonna learn from this guy. I'm not gonna show you the video on the live stream, guys, because I think I don't want to get I don't want to steal this guy's content. If you want to watch along with me, I have a link to his video on Python in the description down below. I'll be watching that along with you guys. Although I'm not gonna be starting from the start, because I'm already started with I already started with some of his lessons. I'm starting at Hold on. I'm just gonna. Where am I exactly? 213. Here we go. I'm already at on this lesson on this thing called tuples. I don't know what that is. So yeah, start. I'm just gonna freaking start freaking learning programming with Mosh. So let's go. Okay. Sheesh, okay. Now I know that you guys know you guys if you're a programmer, you would know that Python sucks. I heard. But if I am a generic if I am a generic if I am aiming to be a generic computer programmer with the aim of just being a good computer programmer, I would maybe start with C language. But for JavaScript, I think JavaScript is pretty good. It's a front end and back end programming language. But I'm a freaking I am in the end a freaking Blender person, and my goal is to make a Blender add-on that can actually I don't know what I can make with a Blender add-on. I mean, I'm studying dentistry, so I can maybe make an add-on that might turn Blender into some sort of CAD software. So yeah, that's why I'm learning Python. Python is pretty good for what I'm aiming to do, which is to modify Blender. So let's get started, shall we? I think I can just if I play this video, I think you guys can hear this.
So we have 2, 4, 6.
Oh fuck. Okay, wait. Let me just hear that. The Blender add-on. I mean, I'm studying dentistry, so I can make an add-on that might turn Blender into some sort of CAD software. So yeah, that's why I'm learning Python. Python is pretty good for what I am aiming to do, which is to modify Blender. So let's get started, shall we? Hey guys, if this is hearing on my live stream. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna start with the. We're just gonna start the video, shall we? Let's go.
6, 3, and 1. Duplicate our. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk to you guys about another important structure in Python called tuple. Tuples are similar to lists, or a list of items, but unlike lists, you cannot modify them. You cannot add new items, you cannot remove existing items.
Okay.
These tuples are immutable. You cannot update or change them. Let me show you. So I'm going to start by defining a list of numbers. 1, 2, 3. So we use square brackets.
Alright. Here's a tip for you guys. If you want to learn about Python, if you're learning, if you're following along with me, I suggest maybe copying what he is trying to write, because I think there's gonna be an exercise that requires you to make a Python script, and the Python script would generally follow a what's it called? Would basically be almost like the same as what he's trying to write. So just to save up some time, I'm just gonna copy what he's making. I'm gonna name this. Just gonna make a new Python file. I'm gonna name it tuples. Okay. Nice. I'm just gonna make a array. Let's maybe like here. Okay.
Define lists and define tuples. So if you change this,
hold on, I'm just gonna fucking get rid of this. Get rid of these.
Parenthesis. 3. Now we have a tuple. So if we type numbers dot, look here we don't have the append or insert methods, so we cannot add new items to this tuple. You also don't have remove, clear, and pop. You cannot remove any of these items here. You only have two methods, count and index. Use.
Wait, what? Is this not a... Oh, wait. Okay. Now, if you're new to computer programming, you would know that whatever you type... Oh, shoot. Whatever you freaking type matters. Every single thing you type matters. So, notice how I used the freaking box bracket there. But for tuples, it turns out you just had to use the normal parenthesis for turning it into a tuple, not or else the Python would think you're making a list. So, list, that's what they call it, a list or an array. Forgot the right connotations for what the box bracket list array called. Not only did I learn a little bit of freaking Python, I was learning a little bit of this archaic computer language that nobody really talks about, and only a few Godot users out there know. If you know Godot, it's a game engine. They use a freaking computer language called GDScript, and they call these things what I just wrote arrays. I think that's what they called it. But in Python, I think they call it just lists. Just called lists.
Count to count the number of occurrences of an item, and index to find the index, the first occurrence of an item. We can only get info about the tuple. We cannot change it. And by the way, these other methods that you see here.
Hold on, wait. I'm just gonna check a bit. Okay. Let's say numbers. Dot. Oh yeah, it's just count index. So count. Okay, I'm just gonna, just for you and for the sake of my future self, in case it forgets some of these methods. Count is used to see if there is a, how do I say this? Numbers.count. Gonna do a print statement. I'm pretty sure this is how it works. Oh yeah, I'm gonna run freaking, where is it? Tuples. Run tuples. 3. Okay. So the count method counts how many indexes holds the same what's the right connotation for this? And for this one, it's the same integer that you type here. So I type 3, and count. The count method counts how many 3s I have in my tuple. I mean, this also works with lists, but for this tuple, and it just prints it. So, and I think what's it called? Index. Oh fuck. Index. Oh shit. Hold on. Index. Okay, it gets the index of whatever I type here. So wait, index. The index. Okay, so index of, yeah, the position of whatever I type here. So I type 3, and it's going to get 3 here, and it's at position 2. So it starts. So if you're new to computer languages, the first position is to the computer is actually position 0. For programmers' sake, we call it indexes. So it's in the 0th index, number 1. Oh fuck. For number 2, it is in index 1, and number 3 is in index 2, and number 3 over here is at index 1, index 3. I'm wondering why is it not printing 3 since number 3 here is at index 3. Well, it only gets the index that is closest to the left. How do I say this? It only gets the index that's only closest to basically the first index that holds that number. So the computer will scan this array from left to right, and once it gets a number that matches this number, it's gonna take that index and print it to the console over here. We will not mind anything past that. It will just we'll just get the one that first matches with whatever you type here. If I change this to 2, I'm pretty sure it will print number 3. Yeah, okay. Pretty good. Let's continue.
They start with 2 underscores. We refer to these as magic methods. They're more of an advanced topic, so they go beyond the scope of this course. If you're interested to learn about them, you can get my Python course. I've covered them in. So, similar to lists, you can access individual items using square brackets. So we can get the first item, this, and then print it on the terminal. There you go, the first item.
Oh, okay. Guys, you can also take index of a freaking tuple. So 1, and it will print 2. Yeah, it will print 2. Okay, nice.
1. But if you try to change the first item, you'll get an error. The numbers of 0 to 10. Run our program. There you go.
Okay, I see. So if you want to change this, I want to go numbers 1. If you want to change it to 2, I don't think you can do that. I started displaying a freaking message here. Yeah, see, it says here tuple doesn't support item assignment. Pass into the it doesn't. If this was a list, I think it can. Oops. This is a list. I'm pretty sure you can change it. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. If I print this. Okay. If I change the index, the first index to 3, so I change this 2 to a 3, it would allow me, yeah. But if this was a freaking tuple, tuple, and I change it to maybe 3, yeah, it won't allow me. Yeah, because the tuple object does not support item assignment. Yeah. It can't assign something. It can make variable. It can't change the variables of how do I say this? You can't make a. You basically can't change stuff if you're using a tuple. So, yeah.
Yeah, this type error because the tuple object does not support.
Oh, we call it tuple. Oh, tuple
assignment. So we cannot mute it or change tuples. They are immutable. Now, practically speaking, most of the time you'll be using lists, but tuples are also useful. You want to create a list of items and you want to make sure that nowhere in your have to accidentally modify that list, then it's better to use a tuple.
Hey, okay, we're in freaking. Alright, that's one lesson down in tuples. Now it's unpacking.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a powerful feature we have in Python called packing. So let's define a tuple called coordinates. And here we pass three values. 1, 2, 3. Imagine these are the coordinates x, y. Now let's say we want to get these values and use them in a few expressions, in a few complex expressions. Maybe we want to include them as part of a large complex formula. So
I just want to see if okay. Yeah, so I just want to know if my extreme is lagging.
Then we'll have to write code like this. Coordinates of 0. Then let's say we want to multiply this by coordinates of 1. Then multiply it by coordinates of 2. Our code is getting a little bit too long. This is just a very simple example. But let's say we want to use these values in quite a few places in our program. So a better approach is to get these values, store them in separate variables, like and get coordinates of 0, store it in x, then we get coordinates of 1, store it in y, and similarly we get coordinates of
okay,
then store it in z.
And the thing I'm gonna be using this okay, x equals yeah. X, Y, Z. Oh, the heck. What's this? What is this? X equals numbers. 0. X equals numbers 1. Oh wait, why is it Z? Y? I'm making a if statement. Z equals numbers 2. Okay. So if you don't get what the heck, where did I add a space? There we go. If you don't know what number 0 is, number 0 is 1, number 1 is 2, number 2 is 2. The number after numbers the actual number after the word numbers indicates the position that I want to take reference on. So 0. So this is telling me to look at numbers, the list of numbers, and then this value here is telling me which part in numbers do you want me to extract from. So I wrote an index of 0, and an index of 0 is basically the first position, so it's 1, and index 1, 2, index 2, 2.
Now instead of repeating coordinates of 2 or coordinates of 0 multiple times, you can simply work with these variables x, y, times z. That is better, right? So nothing new so far. But in Python, we have a powerful feature called unpacking, and with that we can achieve same far less code. So we can define our variables x, y, z, and set them. What we have on line 6 is exactly identical what we have on lines 2 to 4.
Oh, what? Hey, hello. This is what? What the heck? X, Y, Z equals. I guess he wrote the same. He wrote the name of his list, which is coordinates. So I'm writing minus numbers, and numbers is the name of my list. The variable that holds my list. I mean. Did I write that correctly? Okay. What error am I getting right now? Oh, it's because I'm...
shorthand to achieve the same result. But let me delete this and explain how this code.
Alright. I think it's because I have these variables already defined. Maybe I just what's this? Too many values to unpack.
Works. With Python interpreter, is this statement, it will get the first item in this tuple and assign it to this variable.
Oh, it's because I have maybe if I add a W to it. There we go. Okay, so I know. Okay, so if I'm gonna pack all of this, it needs to be this. I need to have the same number of variables as the number of variables in my list. So for each variable here, and so for each integer here, there needs to be a variable for each integer in my list, basically. So 1 goes to W, 2 goes to X, 2, the other 2 over here goes to Y, 3 goes to Z.
Then it will get item as tuple and assign it to second variable, and similarly it will get the third item in this tuple and assign it to the third variable we have here.
Okay.
So we are unpacking tuple into 3 variables. Now if we print
okay, so that's where I'm tracking with.
X is 1, similarly Y is 2.
Yeah.
There you go. So this is
hell yeah.
And by the way, this is not limited tuples. You can use this feature with lists as well. So if I change parentheses,
nice.
Square brackets.
Why do I need to use tuples? Tuples are basically
pack this list 3 variables. Now, run our program.
Tuples are basically beta lists. Oh, dictionaries. Okay. You know, I actually learned. What the heck is this? What the hell? Wait, hold on. What the heck is this? Hold on. Okay, this say. Oh, I didn't have your problem. I just noticed that something's in my chat right now. What the? How do we respond to this? And I'm gonna get no. Okay. Are there hot babes in my area? Do I need to freaking? Are you trying to sell me on a freaking dick enlarger or something? What the hell is this shit? What is this porn? Is this freaking? I'm not an xvideos.com, right? I'm on YouTube, right? Holy shit! What? I need some moderators at some point. Hi, dictionaries. I learned about dictionaries a little bit when I was trying to study GD script. I actually have a freaking notebook here. Fuck. Oh, what the heck? Oh shit. A keyboard. Flickering. Hi. I actually have a freaking, I don't know if you guys can hear this. A freaking notebook here. And I think I wrote something about dictionaries when I was studying about freaking GD of all things. You guys know GD script? I don't think you guys know GD script. It's this. To explain the what's right. If you're learning computer language, don't learn GD script unless you want to get into Godot, game development with Godot. But other than that, just don't learn about GD script. Although what I can say that benefits me while I was learning GD script was that I learned a little bit about freaking some programming fundamentals. And one of them is freaking dictionaries. What are dictionaries? I know I learned about dictionaries here somewhere. Fuck. I hear dictionaries. Dictionaries. Associative container that contains values referenced by unique keys. And based on what I'm reading right now, it kind of looks like dictionaries have basically list the whole variables, I think. I think so, yeah. And they're using the curly braces for this, I think. Curly braces, I think.
To talk to you guys about dictionaries in Python. Use dictionaries in situations where we don't store information that come as here's an.
Okay, yeah. So it's kind of like variables. It's a list that holds variables, and the variables also hold some freaking some what do you call that? Object? Yeah, literal a data object.
Think of a customer. The customer has a bunch of attributes like name, email, phone number, address, and so on. Each of these attributes has a value. For example, the name can be John Smith.
John
email
Smith.
Can be John@gmail.com. The phone can be whatever. What we have here is a key value pairs.
Key value pairs.
So in this example, our keys are name, email, phone, and key is associated with value. So this is where we use a dictionary. In the dictionary, we can store a bunch of key value pairs. But let me show you how to do a dictionary in Python. Back to our program, I'm going to find a variable, customer, and here we set it to curly braces. With these curly braces, we can define a dictionary. In this example, we have an empty dictionary that doesn't have any key value pairs. And we can add one or more key value pairs in between the braces. So let's add a key value pair here.
What are you doing?
Key to name and the value to John Smith.
No, I think not that different from GDScript. So hold on, I'm just gonna go back to PyCharm. We need to I have to rename this file at some point. Okay, no, I'm just gonna rename this. Can I rename this? No. Can I not? Frick. Oh well, let's write some code. What do I need to do? Alright. Let's make a customer. I use the freaking curly braces for this. Name. What funny name should I write? Freaking. I'll name him. I'm gonna name him Naked HD. Screw you, freaking spammers with the Naked XD HD, XYZ HD. Oh wait, that's why it's not. What? Why is it oh fuck. Oh, it needs to be a string. Okay. Okay, I still need to define what name is supposed to be. Yo. Here. There we go. Resolve all my errors, and I still don't know what these freaking errors are over here.
Then we add a comma, another key value pair. So let's age 30. Let's have another key value pair. Is underline verified.
I'm wondering, can I include a function here? It's gonna age. What else can I write? And 30, naked XYZ age What's a funny name? What's a funny? 69. There we go. 69. Freaking, what else do I need? Oh yeah, I need a, hold on, I need comma. There we go. Dissolve everything. Go. Wait for 20. Okay. Okay, I think okay, there's no errors so far. I don't know what these are. What's it supposed to be?
Set this to Nampuli. Now what matters
Oh.
here?
Sigma. Sigma? Sigma. Freaking false. Oh my god, there we go. Name Naked XYDHD, age 69. Weight 420. Sigma false.
Here is that these keys be unique. So if I add in the key right here, age to 40. Now look, PyCharm has highlighted the age key because we have
okay.
duplicate.
I guess you can also change.
Allowed.
Oh.
So each key is unique in a dictionary.
Oh, okay. So I guess you call these things on the left keys, and they're basically variables. And over here is like the input, I guess.
Just like the dictionaries we have in the real world. In the real dictionary, we have a bunch of words with definition. Each word is listed only once in a dictionary. We don't have the word book. So let's delete. I can duplicate here. So the keys should
be... we can use freaking book in the many different ways. My freaking book can have many different definitions, so what can you say about that, freaking Mosh?
Unique. And in this example, I'm
using like with book can kind of be a a literal book, or it can be meaning to book a flight.
String, number.
Yeah, could either be reading a book, or it can be booking a flight.
Now we can access each item dictionary using square brackets. So we type customer and specify a key like name, and this will return the value associated name key.
That's actually not bad.
Book. There you go. So name is John Smith.
Customer. Yeah, so basically okay. Print. Print. Customer. Dude, look at this freaking freaking what's it called? Inception shit right here. So I wrote a variable, then I have to write a freaking variable. Name. This how it works? Yeah. So it's a freaking object inside a variable inside a variable. Dude, what's that? How many levels can this? How many? Can I put a freaking dictionary inside a dictionary? I wonder if I can do that. Like I write a key, then the value is a literal dictionary. Can I do that?
What if you pass a key that doesn't exist? Let's say first run the program, get a key error because we don't have a key called first. Also, if you spell name with, let's say, a capital N, get the same error because we don't have a key with the exact same sequence of characters in this dictionary. Now to get around this, we can use the method. So instead of using the square brackets, we call the get method by our key. Now if you use a key that doesn't exist here, it will yell at us.
Wait, what?
Instead of using this. Now to get around this, we use the get method. So instead of using square brackets, we call the get method and specify our key. If you use a key that doesn't exist here, it doesn't yell out by the dictionary. Now to get around this, we can use the get method.
I guess I'm just repeating the video.
So instead of using those brackets, we call the get method and specify our key.
Get to.
If you use a key that doesn't exist, same sequence of characters, this dictionary. Now to get around this, we can use the get method. So instead of using the square brackets, we call the get method and specify our key.
Oh wait, so what's the customer.get am I using the same string square brackets? Okay, I'm going using parentheses for this one. Oh, yeah. Get here. If I change this to n, will it none?
Now to get around this, we can use the get method instead of character. The same error because we don't have a key with the exact same sequence of characters in this dictionary.
Don't
now
get
to get around it,
why do we need get when in the end both are still case sensitive?
This is the get method. Instead of using the square brackets, we call the get method and specify our key. Now, if you use a key that doesn't exist here, it doesn't yell at us. For example, if we pass first date,
okay, none. Yeah.
It simply returns the none value.
Okay.
Earlier I told you that none is an object that represents the absence of value. So instead of getting a key error,
wait. If it's just name, what will it here? Okay. If it is just name, will it give it to me? Take it XYZ HD. It's still this. What? It's still this.
get none. And we can also optionally supply a default value. For example, if this dictionary doesn't have this key, supply value, let's say January 1st, 1980. Let's run the program. Now instead of getting none, it's the default value. So this is how we can access the
Oh, get also works if so get. So I just write this, it will get the name. But if I write something here that doesn't exist, it will get none. But if I write print customer, didn't mean that. Customer dot get. If I input something here that doesn't exist, say freaking gender. And A. Okay. If I write gender here, right? So what's the error here? Line 11. I'm just gonna copy this. We'll see. Okay. Will be. We'll see. What's wrong here? Oh, okay. So if I use freaking the dot get if I write something here that doesn't exist, I think it doesn't hold on. Let me straight here. Okay. Oh. There. Okay. Write something here that doesn't exist, it will give you an error. But if I write something here, if I write something with a get function that doesn't exist, it will return me none. And I can also insert a default value in case the computer can't detect what I am reading. Can detect any value that has a key gender.
Value associated with a key in a dictionary. You can also update these values. For example, for a print statement, you can write code like customer name. Let's update the name to Jack. Now this little warning here is telling us that we could simply Jack Smith here instead of defining it once and then update it. Don't worry about that, it doesn't really matter. Now with this line, if we print the name of this customer,
so it also functions as lists. You can also modify some of these values here. Okay.
So I'm going to use the square bracket notation again. Let's print name of the customer. Okay, that is updated here. You can also
okay. Customer name equals I don't know. Oh my god, it's an old pyro cynical joke, but I just laugh at it. Oops. Alright. Like I hate how every time I add the freaking location, it's gonna automatically gives me freaking this warning. Oh, yeah, just say freaking. Here we go. Oh, yo, it's technically. Wait, what do you mean what do you mean it's typo? This perfectly makes sense. The dictionary creation should be written as. Oh, yeah. So yeah. Monster's right. He was telling me that if you're gonna change something here, why not just change it here? But I think this works. Oh yeah. Oh, alright, I'm just gonna delete this. Okay. Get Gonna get name. Okay. Run the program. Yep, special snowflake HD. Printed this name even if the list says that it's naked XYZ HD.
Add a new key here. Let's set the birth date to some value, like January 1st, 1980.
Oh shoot, I just realized that my head is blocking the... wait, hold on. Hold on, boys. Why am I still using this logo? So, I'm gonna move myself here. Right? And I'm gonna I need to move my curtain. Here it is. Oh. Yeah, stay still. Okay. Alright, okay, that's good. Yep. Now, okay, guys. Now you can see what's happening in the console.
Here, as you see, you can easily add the key value pairs to a dictionary. So this is the basics of using dictionaries in Python. They're extremely important and they have a lot of applications.
Let's give you an exercise, Oscar.
Okay, here's an exercise.
Hell yeah, let's go.
So here we have this program that asks phone number. Type 1, 2, 4. Type it in digits, and then we'll translate it to words. Take a look. Enter. It prints 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a pretty cool program. So go ahead and spend a few minutes on this exercise.
Okay, let's see. So, I have an assignment to do. Let's okay, make a freaking phone script. You can do phone script. Can I? Okay, so I need to input phone. Okay. Words equals phone 1, 2, 4. Okay. Then I need to make a dictionary, I think. Dictionary equals a bunch of words. Let's go with one equals one. Oh, not equal. One. Oh shoot, wait. Two equals two. Okay. Oh shoot, wait, Go. Go. This indentation, what the hell? 3 is 3. Okay. 4 is, oh my god. 4 is 4. 5, oh my god. 5 is, I'm just gonna write everything, 5. Oh my god, come on. 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9 is freaking 9. What the? Okay, why did it stop? Why did this stop freaking? Oh, it's because alright, there we go. Now, how do I turn whatever the input here into freaking an array? For number and words. Okay. Number and words. Words dot replace why is it not? Why is it saying no effect? Oh wait, replace, or is it, what, how do I freaking, fuck, I need to oh my god, I forgot how to. Is there a replace function for this list? Let's go back to freaking list methods for this one. Alright, I'm in 223.
Then from an item list, pick value here. 5. With this, we can remove. We also have, and it doesn't take any values, so simply call it and on and you. Remove and pass. You can also,
oh, insert. Okay, insert. Shit. Words dot insert. Actually, wait. I need the new variable. Okay. I call it sentence equals. Let's make this a blank array. Okay. Insert. Oh wait, no, sentence dot insert. You know what? Okay, wait, I think just do a pen. And 1. So dictionary. Dictionary 1. Wait. Oh, now I need the index. Wait. Dictionary number? Yeah. This work? Resolve sent reference dictionary. What? Oh. Case sensitive, baby. I keep remembering that. Remember that. Sentence dot append dictionary number. And then I just need to print print the sentence. This work? Huh? Oh, can you run this, please? Run phone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, it's doing what I want. Is he still? Oh my god, he's still spamming. What the hell is this? Oh my god. Alright, so I made a freaking. Okay, it's basically doing what I want. It's turning whatever I wrote into a. Let me just run the script one more time. Let's see, 9876. Yeah, just turning it into words, but I don't want it to look like an array. Okay, so why don't I wait? No, why not just turn this into a? There we go. Sentence plus equals dictionary number for that. Okay. 3, 2, 4, 5. Now I need to add space. Okay. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh shoot! I need to add a curly brace. Curly braces? Where is it? Control C, Control V. Okay, there we go. Though I don't want, if I'm being very picky, I do want to make sure that there's no space between these. So, if number dot index, wait, no, words dot index. Oh, wait, what if it repeats itself? What if it repeats itself? Oh my god. Um, position equals 0, sentence, else. Equals C, Control V. Okay. Oh. Okay. Go. Go. Okay. Go. Okay. There we go. I got rid of the freaking space at the start. So what's telling it is that if whatever I write, the first wait, what did I do again? Right. So if the position of the number being transferred here is at the 0th index, it's gonna not include a space at the start. But if it's anything that doesn't have an index of 0, I include a space before I write the number, the word number. So yeah, that's how it worked. Now I wonder if it is, the only problem is if it's if I repeat myself, yeah, at the start there. That's not good. Okay. How do I make it so that even if I repeat a number, it would still add a space? Equals word dot index, return to index. Maybe a count, I think. words dot count number. I think we got a term. 0. Plus. Equals false. False sentence, and then second equals true. Any errors? 21. Oh, there we go. Oh, just make this false. Okay. What can I write here? Number 4. Seven. Okay. Plus equals dictionary number. Alright, see. I'm just gonna think about this for a while. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What else? Hey, there we go. I did it. Okay. For number in words, position equals words dot index, count equals words dot count. The position is equals 0. If it is at the first position, and this is not its second time, being here, sentence equals, we add, what's it called? dictionary item number and return second is true. First equals true. Or I could just make it simpler by just making return is first equals true if if I need this. Okay. Alright, there we go. Simplified it. Let's see if it works. There we go. Nice.
Let's remove an item, so we call remove past item that we want to remove.
Back here.
They're extremely important and a lot of applications in the past. Our phone number. Just type 1, 2, 4. Type it in text, and then this will translate it words. Take a look. Enter. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a pretty cool program. So go ahead and spend a few minutes on this exercise. Pretty easy. I'll see you next time.
How are you doing, Mosh? Come on.
Alright, so first,
I just want to see how long I've been streaming. Almost an hour and a half. Oh my god.
Get the user's phone number. Call the input function, the label phone, get the result, and hit this variable. Now let's say user enters 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to look through this string, get the character, and translate it to a word. So what we need to implement this scenario is a dictionary, because a dictionary is the structure that allows us to map the key, the value. You can have a dictionary with keys like 1, 2, 3, 4, and we map each of these keys to a word. So we can map the digit 1 to the word 1, and map 2 to TWO. So let's define a dictionary. Call it digits underline mapping. This dictionary.
I thought your name was variables now.
1, we map it 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and finally 4, 4. Secondly, we should add all the digits from 0 to 9. I don't want to waste your time typing repetitive things here. You got the point. So let's move on. Now we need to loop through phone string. So for character phone, we get each character and then use it to access a key value pair in our dictionary. So digits underline mapping. We can use square brackets or call get method. I would prefer to use the get method. So in case there's some character that is not part of our dictionary, our program is not going to yell at us. So call the get method and pass there as the key. And if we don't have this key, we can supply a default value like an exclamation mark. So with this, we'll get a word. Now we need to add this word an output string. We define output string. Initially, we set it to an empty string. In each iteration, we get this and add it to our output string. So we type output plus equals this, and we should also add space. The words are not close to each other. Okay, let's all you have to do.
Yeah, I do that. What the heck? Okay.
Now, finally, let's print output.
Apparently, I just I made it complicated for myself. What the hell? If I need I need an else statement for this. Wait, what? Output plus equals. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, I think I made this longer for myself. Oh my god.
On our program, I'm gonna type 1, 3, 4, 5. Let's work again. Get 1, 3, 4 with an exclamation.
Yeah. Yeah, I wrote 25 lines of code and he only wrote freaking 11. Oh my god. Okay. What?
In this tutorial, I'll show you something really cool that you can do with dictionaries. So here we have this program. You can type a message like good morning, followed by a smiley face. Let me press enter. We get this beautiful smiley face.
Oh wow, whoa. Wow. We're getting into freaking. We're now applying PNGs for shit. Oh my god, that's a pretty good story.
I am.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but he basically generated a emoji in his console. How did you what the heck? That's a he basically put PNG in his console. What the hell?
That smiley face, and it gets translated to this beautiful emoji. So this is another application of using dictionary. You have a dictionary that maps these characters into smiley faces. So let's go ahead and build this program together. You start running the input function. It will pass a greater than symbol as an indicator for the user to type a message. To get that message, here.
Alright, I'm gonna write this real quick. I'm gonna name this new file. Emoji converter. Emoji converter. I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure Naked Men XYZ here likes emojis. Right. Do an input function. That's right here. Okay. Message equals input. Okay. What should I do first?
As you know, that is a string. Now we need to split the string with space. If the user types good morning with a smiley face, we want to break this down into 3 words: good, morning, and smiley face. To do that, we can call the split method. So call message.split and pass a string with 1 space as the separator. What this method does is basically it goes through the string, and anywhere it finds this character, in this case a space, it uses that as a boundary.
Oh. Message.split. What does that do? Message.split. Right. Go.
Separate this into multiple words. And then it will return a list. Let me show you.
Okay, so it prints a list.
And print it on the turn. Go ahead and run our program. So if we type good morning sunshine, enter, we get a list with 3.
Okay. So it turns a list into it turns what the string that would input here into a list. And yeah. Okay.
Next, each item is a string. Okay. Now, back to our program. We need to define a dictionary for mapping special characters like these two into a smiley face. So, we can call that emojis. That is curly braces. Here we add a key value pair, a smiley face, and we map that to a string In the string, we want to add an emoji. If you're on a Mac keyboard, you can press Control, Command. It should bring up this emoji box. On Windows, honestly, I really don't know how you can do this, but there must be applications that do this for you. So let's go ahead and
freaking Mac users, oh my god, look at this freaking bourgeoisie flexing on the freaking emoji. Oh, and I'm a freaking Windows user, man. Come on. Ah, shit, come on. Well, I guess it turns out I can't do an emoji converter because my keyboard can't do freaking do emojis and shit.
And this happy smiley face, good. Now let's add another key value there. That face. That is to this face here. So we have a list of words. Now we need to loop through this list, get each word, essentially map it with an emoji. Okay. So we can write a for loop for words. Now we want to our dictionary and see if you have them with this word as the key. Okay. If you have an item, then we'll get value. Otherwise, we want to use the same word. So if the user types good morning, we want to translate those words. Just want to return those. So that is the case where we use the get method to apply the default value. So we want to get an item with the key word. And if you don't have an item with that key, simply write that word default value. Now, similar to the exercise that we did in the last tutorial, we need an output variable. Let's define it here, output, set it to an empty string. Now back to line 9.
Yeah,
get
but
the
I
return
can
value
actually
of the get method
print some
and add it to our
PNGs in my console.
Output equals what do we get from the get method. Then we need to append a space at the end. That's it. Done. So let's print output and run the program. I'm gonna type good morning, sunshine, my face. Get that, beautiful.
Cricket. I'm gonna see if I can find a way to get in Windows how to add emojis in Windows. Chemical, what? Oh! Oh, look at this! Wait. Hold on. Here we go. Message.clip, okay. Now we need to make a dictionary. Emojis. Okay. Emojis. Okay guys, I just figured out that Windows does have an emoji keyboard for myself. Alright, there we go. Let me just name this. And what are some things that do a smiley face first? Not equals shit. Just so used to freaking variables. Alright, there we go. Windows. Oh, okay. What the? Here. Okay. Let's do a sad face. Oh no. Windows. Here. Like that face, what the heck? That's sad face? I think it's a sad face. Let's do a D. go. And this would equal to, oh wait, shoot, go. Go. Windows, semicolon. Dude, Mac users have it all, man. Like when Moss was typing his code, and he put the emojis on the frickin' on his Python script, it actually looked like emojis with all the yellows and shit. When I put my frickin' emojis, look at the, I get this lame ass circle. Like, come on now, Windows. I'm gonna just put this to Windows semicolon. Okay. Okay, go. Now for... Wait. Did he do it again? Words equals message dot split. Okay. Words equals message dot split. Nice. Alright, so if you guys want to follow along, if you're a Windows user, the shortcut to accessing the emoji keyboard is Windows plus semicolon. You'll find the emojis over there. And okay, for I can name the sentence. Then put output here. Then for word in sentence, output equals plus equals. Where's the plus? Plus equals and oh wait, no, I need to first. I'm trying not to look at Mosh's video, so I can see if I can make this on my own. Because I just recently watched it, so I already forgot it. And message dot get and word. Oh no, sentence dot get. Word, if it's not there, word. What's this? What should I name this? emojis.get word dot there word. Okay. Output plus equals ph plus. Okay. What up? Mamma mia. Print output. Play Attack on Titan in there. It'll work. Run emoji. Yes! Alright, I'm gonna see if this works. Hey, it works, okay. Yeah, I guess it works now. What if it is... No! 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 Is that a brownie face? Jesus Christ, Windows, can you please update your freaking your emojis for once? It cannot be this freaking hollowed out shell of a face. Okay. So, I made an emoji converter now, guys. Is that good? I don't know. Okay. Okay. So, I guess that's it for now, guys. I made a program that converts numbers into words. I made not a program, but a Python script that converts numbers into words. I made an emoji converter, and that's it for now. I think how long have I been streaming? Yeah. I guess I'll stop for now. If you guys are interested in what else I've been making in Python, I also made this I made a car game here. Right. If if. Yeah, I made a car game here as well, wherein it can I run the script? Run car. I made this basic Python script wherein it's basically a car game but without any of the freaking visuals for it. If I type in help, it would give me this instructions on how to play this game. If I type in start, even if it's not case sensitive, even if it's not capitalized, it would still start. See, and if I press start again, it would tell me that it's what's it called? It's already started. And if I press finish, it would say that the car stopped. But if I press finish again, it's gonna think they're gonna think it's already stopped. So, that's a good program. I think this is the most complicated program I made so far. Cause look at this freaking if statement here. Starts equals false, finishes equals true, while true, instructions equals input. Wait, what is this? Not true. If instructions equals help, print start the car, finished, and the game, quit to exit. If instructions equals start and start is false, print car started, ready go, start equals true, finishes equals false. Oh my god. Yeah, this is very. Looking back at this, my mind can barely figure out what I just wrote here. But yeah, I guess this is it for now. I hope you enjoyed my emoji converter, guys. If you're a Windows user, I'm pretty sure it's much more helpful than what Mosh, Mosh did, since I told you how to access the emoji keyboard. Let's go! I didn't know we have an emoji keyboard in freaking Windows. But yeah, I guess it's gonna be it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I will be I don't know when I'll be doing Blender again, but for now I'm actually very interested in doing some Python programming for now. Um, and that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this live stream, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next episode. Bye bye.